kami sa TESDA para maging witness sa signing ng enterprise-based training law na bagong batas na makakatulong sa paglikha ng mga bagong trabaho at mga trabaho na kailangan ng industriya ay may dudugtong na natin sa training ng TESDA. So malaking bagay ito para mawala yung tinatawag nating mismatch within industry and yung training programs natin.
I'm very bullish and I'm very positive with TechVoc in our country, and I know that TechVoc is limitless. Wala po itong hangganan as long as we continue to innovate, as long as we partner and work very well with our private sector counterparts.